Here we're trying to learn something called as congruency of triangles. First we'll try to understand the word congruent. If someone tells two things are congruent, it means their shape, size is the same. So two boxes of the same company are said to be congruent, right? Same company, same model means what? They look the same. Not in the sense of color, in the sense of shape and size. Two objects are congruent, two bags are congruent means to look at they are the same shape and size. We can also use the word congruency for figures as well, two-dimensional figures. So two figures are congruent if the shape and size are same. So for example, right, so this is a figure. So you can tell that figure 1 and figure 2 are congruent. They are of same shape and size. So congruency means equal in all respect, or figures whose shape and size are both same. Okay. So in regarding to figure, this I am very sure about shape and size. In regarding to things, I should not tell about the color because it's very clear that in all respect. So does color come into picture? I don't know. But yes, this I am sure. Two figures are said to be congruent if their shape and size are same. So three more examples over here. So this two figure, okay, if it was drawn properly over here, these two are congruent, these two are congruent because it's again copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. So all these three are examples of congruent figures. Now our main topic of discussion is congruency of triangles. So my question to you guys is, before I do discuss about it, the idea remains the same. I have a triangle 1. Can you guys figure out which of these three triangles, the remaining three, which of them or even one of it or none of it is congruent to the first one? Is any one of this congruent to the triangle 1? What do you think? Yes or no? Answer is yes, and they are all of it. Actually, all of them are the same triangle, just that I copied and pasted and twisted it around. That's it. So all of these are congruent. So two triangles are congruent if their corresponding parts are equal. The orientation doesn't matter. So you can see over here I have a 90. Here I have the 90, 90 and 90. These are all corresponding parts. This is 10, this is 10 and this is 10. This is 6, this is 6 and this is 6. This is 8, this is 8 and this is 8. So all these are corresponding sides and say this is theta and this is theta and this is theta. So all these are corresponding angles. Okay. So corresponding, the word idea behind the word corresponding, you'll learn a lot about it. So this is just an introduction. So main thing that you have to understand over here is the shape and size has to be same for them to be congruent. Okay. So the next thing that we are learning is symbolic representation of congruency. So here triangle MNP is congruent to ABC, that is M is equal to A, N is equal to B, P is equal to C. And also Mn is equal to AB, MP is equal to AC, NP is equal to BC. So these two triangles are congruent. Okay. So now how do you represent it symbolically? Triangle MNP is congruent to triangle ABC. And this order is very important. Okay. What do I mean? By chance, if I had written NPM, I cannot write ABC over here. The parts have to match. That is, see, M is related to A, is it not? N is related to B. So I have to start with N is over here. So I have to start with B over here. P is related to C. So I should have a C over here. And M is related to A. Okay, so the order is very important. If I happen to have, say, triangle P N M, okay, so again this is here too, the order has to be in the same manner. P is related to C, N is related to B, M is related to A. Okay, so I'm not going to repeat this in the future, in the sense, not in this detail. So see to that you learn it here. Again, it's a small set of rule, commonsensical also. Okay, so from this you will be writing a lot of, all the answer will be written in this order, right? In a sense, their corresponding parts have to match, so you guys can't mess this up. Okay, so order of writing is important. It's not important, it's actually, it will go right and wrong. So it's not actually just important. The whole answer depends on you writing. The end of it, how you write is very important. Okay, if not, the meaning itself will change. Okay, so what we just did was we CPCT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. That is, M is matched to A, N is matched to B, and P is matched to C. So basically we have to relate things. So CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So if two triangles are said to be congruent, say triangle PTE is congruent to triangle say SVP. No, not P. What else? I don't know. F, I guess. Okay. Right, I took some random triangle. So these two are said to be congruent. So if this is so, then the corresponding parts of congruent triangles are, then if someone tells CPCT, so it indirectly means that angle P is equal to angle S. Means by default these are equal. When someone tells CPCT, it means in that we have all of this angles. Then CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So it includes angles and sides. So when it comes to angles, we have angle P is equal to angle S, angle T is equal to angle V, angle E is equal to angle F, and then the sides. So we have PT is equal to SV, TE is equal to VF, PE is equal to SF. Okay, so again, the phrase or the short form CPCT includes all of this. Okay, so hidden in this we have all of this. That's what it means. So this is in the simplest manner. You guys have to understand, if we use CPCT, it includes all of this. Okay, right? So yes, all of this is something that we'll be using in almost all the questions. So you'll get familiar. Don't worry about that. But yes, I hope you guys have understood all of it, at least most of it. And it is must for you guys to copy all of this.